Just have to vlog right now, guys. Look how pretty the sunset is. It's like never like this. But I don't know where a good spot is to take a photo. But my manager was sweet and went to Japan and got me some goodies. So I got like all this fun stuff in there. I'll like vlog more later at home. But it's so beautiful, guys. Hi guys, tired and when you're sick and you're a lazy witch and you don't want to make any potions, you buy all the tea in the tea aisle. So I got this one. This one is Soothe Your Tummy with ginger, peppermint, fennel, caffeine free. So I got this Lipton one, and then I got a bedtime bliss. So I thought, why not try these instead of always drinking soda? Got that one. Got a herbal tea sampler with like chamomile, lemon, peppermint, and all that good stuff. So if I like those teas, I'll get more of them. It's no fun drinking it plain, but it's probably good for you. And I got me a lavender one, nice cleansing one. And if you don't like them, you can always just throw them in the bathtub and do a herbal cleanse bath with some sea salt. And since my throat's hurting, I got a lemon ginger blend too. So I got a bunch of teas. My manager went to Japan and got me some stuff. And there's like this noodle, it looks vegetarian, so I'm gonna eat that one. And it's funny, there's like a apple flavored Kit Kat. And then like a melon one with cream. So these are gonna be funny to try. And a bunch of like little candies. And then I think you guys saw, but I got this little funny dinosaur pen that's green. And then this little book. Maleficent, what are you doing up there, silly? You're not supposed to be up here. You're so cute. So pretty. Is the quality all bad when I record, huh? You're so pretty. Hi. Hi guys, just got off one job, ready to go over to the next. Switched outfits, got comfy, got me my matcha green tea frappuccino. But before we go do that work, let's go look at some stuff and see if I want to buy anything. Yum. Loving the Versace. I'm so happy to get these sunglasses. So blessed. And something looks nice and then you try it on and you're like, what is this? Look like a big marshmallow. High Priestess shopping after work. And look at all the shit I got. There's so much in this like mini cart, like what? But I guess I need it to live and like eat and, you know, be a human. So that's everything I got, guys. Really tired and vegetarian hot pockets. Ugh, I can't even talk. Vegetarian hot pockets, yum. Can't wait to dive into this food when I get home. Hi guys, little OOTD. I was doing a bunch of like photos and stuff. I might include some pictures, but I was doing some work for my other account, my crystal store that I work on. And yeah, just having a nice day at the lake. It's a little chilly, but it was so fun to do some fun pictures, and the camera was working out today, so I got some nice pics, and it's just such a peaceful day out. And I guess they're shooting a movie where I live too, so that's kind of neat. You can probably hear the wind, guys. It's so windy, but it's so beautiful today. Hey guys, over on my lunch break, and look at the jacket that I kind of like. This one's kind of cool. It's got like the fur on it. Just don't know how. Ooh, look at the energy. Love you guys. Blessed be. The angels are here, guys, but this material, I don't know. I just like the fur though. This part looks kind of cool. Hey guys, haven't vlogged in forever because I've been working so much and I've been sick since Halloween, and it's been 20 days since. I really need to go to the doctor and get some medicine, but popped on this hat because I need a haircut and taking some selfies. Look at the reef, it looks so cool. Basically I need a haircut, but I'm wearing a Santa Claus hat because my hair is too long and I didn't get a chance to get it cut yet. But well, I haven't been feeling good, and it's so funny because I'm wearing this Christmas hat like the week of Thanksgiving on a Monday and it's on Thursday, so like not even close, but it's so funny. I'm rocking my Santa Claus hat, and yeah, I'm gonna go to work, shoot some pictures, go home and rest, charge up so I can feel better soon. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. Guys, I haven't vlogged in a hot minute for like the longest time since I've been sick, and I'm finally feeling better, so I need to get back into the groove of things. And yeah, I just want to vlog again. It's like VLOGMAS time, so I got some donuts, I got like a sugar one, and then looks like some kind of glazed one with some kind of filling, and I'm like, why not just try it, see what it tastes like. I just been craving a donut this morning, so that's what I'm gonna do. And look how beautiful it is today, guys. It's so nice. just a little cold, but look at the lake. So magical. So happy Vlogmas day 4, I think it is, but not gonna be on top of the vlogging since I gotta work up. When you're straight up not a vlogger. Hi guys, I just bought some stuff for work. It's so beautiful right now. The snow's all falling. Let me show you a little clip of it by the water. It's so pretty. It's all snowing. I bought a little something, guys. Let's see what it is. Ooh, they packaged it nice. Let's see. I want to take a little Instagram of this out, like in the nature. Come pretty like that. Okay, guys, let's finish this little unboxing. I ordered me something from the Coach retail website. It's packaged all cute. Get it all open. Looks like I'm getting a watch or something. Who knows? I might be getting one, right? What's in here? The box is so nice. Got a little dust bag. This is so exciting, guys. I got so much stuff today. I can't wait to do like a official haul video. Let's get this little bag open. I got me a new belt buckle, and this one's got a C for Coach, and it's got significant meaning. My twin flames initial. So pretty, I love it. I can't wait to use this on my belt. Look all cool. And welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. Just joking, not doing Vlogmas, but look how cool this is. Little sleigh. Got my Givenchy jacket on. Gonna go to work. The coolest brother ever, and on your lunch break you go buy your brother some birthday gifts. I got this cool snake from my brother Mason. I got him this cool like gun toy thing that you can shoot these like ball things at. Got him a remote control car. Gotta have that bougie Porsche, you know? Got some slime, and then some Hot Wheels cars, of course, because he loves cars. Doesn't this just look like a YouTube haul thumbnail, guys? That YouTuber in me. Happy birthday! I bought you Coach. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
It's a remote control. I think it's a, I don't know, Ferrari or something. You're welcome.
You are the best.
I am? It's a snake.
Cute.
You like
I
it?
love it.
You do? I didn't see any pillow pets over there.
Thank you, Eric.
You're welcome. I already vlogged it, they know. I just want to get his reaction.
What is this
Slime.
Thank you, Eric.
You're welcome. Is that everything? Is that it?
Yep.
Happy birthday! I'm so proud of myself, guys. Look what I'm doing. Setting up a wireless security system, and it's actually not that hard. Doing some cool stuff. This is giving me all the winter solstice, like Yule vibes. Looks so like witchy and traditional. And Mason's all like stuck in the car. I got all these groceries, and Mason's all looking at the fireworks, or the fake ones over there. Hi guys, just taking some pictures for my other job at the crystal store. Here's a little OOTD. I got my new Coach scarf on. But yeah, I'm taking some pictures of these crystals. This was one I just took a picture of. It's like a fluorite crystal with pyrite in it. So pretty. Look at it. You can't really tell, but if I flip the camera around off selfie mode, you can see like all the like gold flakes in there. It looks really cool. I like that piece. And then I was taking a picture of this labradorite too. The flash is so awesome. And look at the view, guys. It's so peaceful. Flashes in the labradorite. Such a nice day out. Look at all the snow, guys. It's a winter wonderland. It's so crazy. We're actually having a white Christmas right now. So much snow. The reason why it's so crazy that we're having a white Christmas is because yesterday it was like really warm, and it's been so warm recently, like no snow, no signs of it at all, and just randomly we have like a little snowstorm and it's snowing. I did do a little magic and caught upon a snowstorm a week ago, so I wonder if it came in full effect. Didn't get it Christmas Eve, but definitely got it on Christmas. Cause what? We haven't had snow in like 2 years. The lake where I live is so dry, and like we haven't had snow in so long, so I'm just like, what? What's going on? We're having a white Christmas. Looks like some magic does work after all. Happy birthday, Jesus, too. Blessed be. But look, guys, it's so crazy. Like, what? It's snowing so much. Look at my cat, guys. She's being all curious. She's like, what's in there? Oh, Maleficent. Merry Christmas. Look at the tree, guys. It's
Merry
all blurry.
Christmas, Maleficent.
It's Merry Christmas, guys. It's snowing, guys. Merry Christmas. We finally got another white Christmas like 2 years later, I believe. It's crazy. Finally snowing again. Merry Christmas, witches. So it's time to have a little mukbang. Cinnamon roll for breakfast. It doesn't really taste good. That's sad. Such a good Christmas breakfast. It's Stater Brothers for you. Hi Macy, you wanna eat some cinnamon roll?
She's scared.
I wish this tasted better, guys. I should have bought cream cheese version. It's so crazy. 2 years later, it's finally snowing on Christmas. I'm not gonna go cinnamon roll, but it's actually good, you know. It's getting a little better with each bite. Hi guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 25. I don't even do Vlogmas anymore. Good morning. Hi guys, it's so early and look, it's like raining, snowing outside. We got all the gifts by the tree. It's Christmas. And I got my new Christmas sweater on that I got. It's kind of cool. It's got like that line through and green. Grinchmas vibes.